The Empty Egg, a story of Easter hope. Easter is a time of joy, hope, and new beginnings. But what if the greatest lesson of Easter came from something as simple as an empty egg? Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a Sunday school where children gathered every week to learn about God and His love. As Easter approached, their teacher, Miss Sarah, decided to give them a special assignment. She handed each child a plastic egg and said, "Take this egg home and bring it back tomorrow with something inside that represents new life." The children were excited. They ran home, eager to find something special for their eggs. Some put in flowers, others placed small leaves, and one child even found a tiny butterfly. The next day, all the children came back, eager to show their eggs. Miss Sarah opened each one and praised the children for their creativity. But when she opened one egg, it was completely empty. Some children giggled, and one boy said, "Someone forgot to put something inside." Miss Sarah looked at the boy who had brought the empty egg. His name was Daniel. He was a quiet child, often sitting alone. With a gentle smile, she asked, "Daniel, why is your egg empty?" Daniel looked up and said softly, "Because the tomb of Jesus Christ was empty." The room fell silent. Tears welled up in Miss Sarah's eyes as she realized how deeply Daniel understood the meaning of Easter. Daniel continued, "Jesus died for us, but on the third day, He rose again. The empty tomb means He is alive. That's why my egg is empty." The children who had laughed before now sat in awe. That day, Daniel, the quiet boy, had taught them all the most powerful lesson of Easter. Moral of the story: Easter is not just about eggs, bunnies, or chocolates. It is about the empty tomb, about God's greatest gift to humanity. Eternal life through Jesus Christ. Because He lives, we have hope, joy, and salvation. Matthew 28, verse 6. He is not here. He is risen, just as He said. Let this Easter remind us that no matter how dark our days may be, God's light will always shine. Because Jesus is alive, we are never alone. Happy Easter. May God bless you all. Folded Hand sparkles if the story touched your heart. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.